Hello, welcome to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Sana and I'm half Persian and half Turkish. So basically in this channel I'm introducing Turkish and Persian cuisine and cooking. So I decided to make a video and let you know guys that I want to make some changes in the channel in terms of content. Basically this channel right now is all about cooking, but I decided that I should share more things with you because I know more things. Not that only I know about Turkish and Persian cuisines, but I know lots of tips and natural ways and remedies of skincare and beauty and taking care of yourself. So I said, why not to share all of these things with you? Instead of having Ancient Girl Kitchen, we could have a channel name of Ancient Girl Tips, to let you know that I am going to upload a lot more content of beauty tips and skincare routine, all based on remedies and the tips that I know, which is all effective and tested, and they are all based on healthy and natural alternatives to replace it with all the chemicals and crazy things that is going on nowadays for making yourself more beautiful. Personally, I believe if we find out the remedies and the things that the ancient people used to do, it's going to be more effective than all the chemicals and the crazy ways that we are doing right now. And I'm sure there are a lot of things still out there that we still don't know, and we could just find it out. So thank you for being with me, and I would like to ask you to help me to grow this channel more and more, and just stay tuned for all the new content.